everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I am insane. I'm insane because this is the year of the dumpster fire, and in my infinite wisdom, I feel I need to start a new painting project. Go figure. Go figure. This is something I've kind of been talking about for a few months, wanting to do. This was kind of made popular by Paula from A Beauty Guru made me do it. And I've been wanting to do it for a while. I just kind of dropped the ball and I didn't do it. This is the 10 Uses Project Pan, or Project 10 Uses. I'm not really sure how it is stated. It took me a while to get some information to figure out who started it, where it all began, because I like to give credit where credit is due. And Paula has said that she did not create this project. She just kind of made it popular in the painting community. So, you know, I did some digging. I've been watching tons of people's videos, and I think I figured out where it originated. Phoebe HB, I will link her down below, started the project, but she was inspired by Melissa Gold's project, where Melissa Gold would take a palette and do 10 different looks from the palette, and then that inspired Phoebe to do like 10 uses, because she wanted to do it across like her whole entire collection, and thus the Project 10 Uses, it was born. Tons of people have done this, and yeah, this is really awesome. It's been going since Phoebe did hers in May of 2018, and like I said, I've seen tons of people doing this project, but I want to give credit where credit is due, so I'm going to link Melissa Gold down below. I'm going to link Phoebe HB down below, and I'm also going to link Paula, since she really got it going in this community as far as like popularity. So they will all be linked down below if you want to go check them out. And without further ado, let's get into this, because I don't have enough projects going on, clearly. But one thing I have noticed after years of painting, and this is something that is a big complaint in the painting community, is that while you are painting your certain products in certain projects, everything else just kind of sits. And that was originally why I started throwing shade to like the eyeshadow roulette to you know, get usage on like my eyeshadows, because a lot of them were just sitting there. This is kind of like the same concept, only this applies to like your entire collection. I have pulled out things like mascara, primers, those kind of things that I really don't want a ton of them opened at once, but any color product is pretty much fair game. I have on my phone, I have a list in Wheel of Names. Like, I can't even tell you how many. It is so many. Let me scroll down. 680. And I did not, like my palettes, if there's like 12 shadows in there, I did not break it down to those 12 shadows. It's just the palette name in that 680. I figure if I get a palette, then I can either decide I want to use the palette 10 times, or I can probably do like pretty random if I want to pick the numbers, like say 1 through 12, and do that particular shadow. If I get a palette, that's what we'll go with. I have a lot less palettes than I do everything else, so we'll play it by ear. We'll see when we get there. So I am going to randomly draw a bunch of, I'm going to do 10, because 10 is more than enough. This is the app right here. I'm going to just draw 10 products, pull them out, and yeah, go from there. All right, let's see what I get. The first one is Sinful Colors, Trend Matters, Taupe is Chic. Let's get the next one going. The glare is horrible. Coastal Scents, Hot Pot in Forest Eve. Next one. This is Bare Minerals Shadow in Smoky Diamond. All right, let's get number 4. Takes forever. Bare Minerals Mineral Eyeshadow in Kiko, which is a gold color. I'm already painting a gold color, but that's okay. I can use it 10 times. All right, let's get number 5. If you're wondering what I'm using, it's called Wheel of Names. It is the only thing that I have found so far that actually will hold more than 100 categories. And I'm in like the 700 range. Coastal Scents Hot Pot in Sunbeam. I had a feeling there was going to be a lot of eyeshadows. And I'm removing these, like with this blue right here, removing it from the list as I pick them, so that I will have, next time that I do the roulette, it's not going to be able to pick the same things. All right, let's do number 6. No matter what angle I go, it is not going to be great. That is Coastal Scents Pigment in Sage Blue. Okay, it's kind of like a blue-green. Blue, yay! All right, number 7. Please, no more eyeshadows. I'd like some lip products, please. Any day. Bare Minerals Shadow in Vine. Was that 7? All right, let's get number 8. Come on, number 8. Something good. Coastal Scents Hot Pot in Midas Gold. Not surprised. Number 9. Anything but an eyeshadow, please. I'm painting enough eyeshadows so far. Come on, not eyeshadow. I got a lip color. This is the Bare Minerals lip color in Amaretto. I want to say that I don't know if it's a gloss or a lipstick. I have to look on my list. So, and I believe this is number 10. If it's not, then oh well. Let's see, what did we get? Anything good? Interesting. More blue. Coastal Scents Hot Pot in Blue Hawaiian. So I am going to, in case you didn't see that through all the glare, I'm going to pull all these up and I will be back, or I'm going to pull them out of the drawers. Be right back. Okay, I am back with all of my products. Lots and lots of eyeshadow. It's okay. It is what it is. 10 uses. That's all I have to do is 10 uses. And this project will also help me get better at tallying how many uses, because I am awful with that. So let's start with the first one. This one is absolutely brand new. I have never used it. I'm trying to shake it up because it's starting to separate a little bit and it's not as pretty. This is Sinful Colors Taupe is Chic. I think I can manage to use that 10 times. And yeah, this one is this a satin or a matte? This is a satin, which not my favorite, but maybe I'll do some stamping with it. Who knows? The next one is Coastal Scents Hot Pot in Forest Eve. It's such a pretty color. I am going to enjoy using that for the fall time. I have needed like some kind of a green, darker color. I've been doing so many pinks and purples lately. I just needed something different. The next one is Bare Minerals Smoky Diamond. Let me get you a swatch of that one. I know it's going to make a mess. I'm trying to not make a mess. Ooh, this is prettier than I remembered. Oh yeah, that's going to be nice. I don't know if the glitter is going to translate on the camera, but that is super pretty. See, and this is another reason why doing this project is such a good idea. I forget sometimes what I have. And I know my collection pretty well, even as sizable as it is, but I forget. I forget sometimes. I think this is the next one, Bare Minerals Kiko. This is such a pretty color. I love this. It is a true yellow gold. And these colors actually go really well together. That's going to be pretty to use. I am using Wrap, which is what I have on my inner corners today, from the Too Faced Rock and Roll palette. But it's okay. It's all good. Sunbeam is the next one. It is Coastal Scents Hot Pot. I'm going to use a different finger to swatch because this one, yeah. This is a bright, summery, springy color. This one right here. Still, I think it'll go with like the greens and stuff. The Coastal Scents Mica Powder in Sage Blue. It is like a blue-green color. And it's loose. Of course it's loose. Should have been a single lady. Ooh, I forgot how pretty that one was. That is it right here. At least I've got a fall color scheme going here. I can work with this. There's some pops of color that are not quite as fall friendly, but it's all good. Bare Minerals Vine also goes with the theme. Let's get you a swatch of this one. Ooh, got a little bit too much on my hand there. This one is Vine. Close that up. I've got like a nice little like pile of powders here because I got a lot of loose stuff. Next one is the Coastal Scents Hot Pot in Midas Gold. Again, keeping with fall theme, but this is another matte, which is nice. It's nice to have some matte colors. So that is Midas Gold right there as my camera adjusts. My one of two non-eyeshadows. This is Bare Minerals Amaretto lipstick. It is brand spanking new. That is the color. So yeah, even that is fall. So I'm okay with that. Totally okay with that. This last color, it is as far from fall as you could possibly get. This is Coastal Scents Hot Pot in Blue Hawaiian. I can live with that color though, because if I'm going to do a blue, this is the kind of blue I want, where it's like got some green in it too. But this is definitely a very summer color. I'm just going to put it right there in the middle. Yeah. I'm okay with these colors though. I totally am. I feel like a lot of these colors are what I was missing in my like weekly makeup baskets and all my other projects. I had a lot of browns, a lot of purples and pinks and just golds and that kind of stuff, and I was really missing like some fun. So I feel like I'm going to get some fun out of this, and hopefully I'm going to get better at tracking. I'm going to, you know, start using more of my products. This is like my motivation. Like I'm hoping this is my motivation to use things. I probably should have put some other things in, not just makeup, but maybe like some perfumes and lotions and stuff like that. But we're just working with makeup right now. If I decide later that I want to add some other things in, I always can. But for right now, this is what I'm working with. These eyeshadows, a lipstick, and this nail polish. So we will see how it goes. I'm going to do these updates monthly. Hopefully I will have at least something that I can roll out for the next update and bring in something new, because, you know, it's all about playtime, especially at the end of the year when we're all bored and we want to play with the other stuff. So we will see how it goes. Again, I'm going to link Paula, Phoebe HB, and Melissa Gold down below if you want to check out how it all started, like with Melissa Gold's series. Phoebe HB kind of starting this project. Well, I mean, she did start it, but, you know, who she was inspired by and stuff like that. And then, of course, Paula, who got the ball rolling. Like, she shoved that ball and she got it all rolling and got everyone interested in it. So those three beautiful ladies are going to be listed down below if you want to go check them out. And I highly recommend that you do, because they're all really awesome. So there is that. All right, I am going to wrap it up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.